One of the biggest highlights of iOS 18 is the built-in call recording feature. That means you no longer need to rely on third-party apps to record phone calls on your iPhone. So if you want to unlock this brand new feature, let me help you get started. So first up, you have to launch the phone app on your iPhone. After that, you have to make a call. Note that you can also record the incoming phone calls on your iOS device. Then you have to tap on the record button at the top left corner of the screen. Next, you have to tap on the continue option. Now, as soon as the call recording starts, everyone on the call will be alerted that the call is being recorded. And it's worth pointing out that your entire call will be recorded and saved in the Apple Notes app. Hence, you'll have to go to the Apple Notes app to check your recording of the call. The best part about this feature is that it provides the detailed transcription of the call recording. Hence, you can go through the transcribed text to get a good hold of the whole conversation. That's not all, you can also use this handy feature to get a summary of the conversation as well. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily record phone calls on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later. Now that you have unlocked this neat feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.